guys. Hi guys, good morning.
Good morning.
So, we're walking now. It's 10:36 in the morning. So, palabas na kami. Wala yung bangs ko. So, palabas na ulit kami sa resort. And here we are. We're going to look for food. So, come on, let's go. So, ayan. We're walking. Nasa opposite side pala kami sa papunta doon. So, and water so clear. And so ganda as always. So, let's go look for food. Because I'm hungry. So guys, kakatapos lang namin kumain and actually iniwan ko na sila doon kasi I'm going to look for my glasses kasi baka nalaglag lang siya somewhere here. So let's go look for it. I hope I can still find it kasi sayang din nun guys. Ang tagal na din nun nag-glasses sa akin. And yung style niya kasi very cat size siya. So ayun, very cutesy yun. I hope I still find it. So I'm trying to look for it here sa road. Ay, oh my god, Nicole. Let's go find that. So guys, I've been walking na kanina pa. Pero di ko pa siya mahanap. I don't know where I lost it. I don't know which part. I'm walking down that trail na namin kanina. Hoping na makita ko, mahanap ko. So, let's try to find it. I hope I can find it kasi sayang din yun. So, ayan guys. Sinilip ko na yung sa hanggang sa end. Wala talaga siya. Hindi ko talaga siya mahanap. I don't know. Saan siyang part na ulog? Let's go. Let's just forget about it. Kasi di na natin yun mahanap. Kasi napansin ko lang yun na nakarating na ako doon sa kinainan namin. Maybe a few minutes after, saka lang ako nakabalik. Ay hindi, almost an hour. So, mahirap talaga siyang hanapin dito. And there's so many people here. So, baka may nakapulot. Ayan. It's it's okay. Sad lang kasi sayang no. Tagal na nun sa akin. So, hi guys. So, sadly, di ko na siya talaga nahanap. And, ayan. Nandito ako ngayon sa At mag-stay muna ako dito for a while kasi sobrang init pa naman. And, babalik ako sa resort maya-maya. So, sad. Guys, ay sa Bicolanos pala here. Let's try to talk to them. Kapala natin mukha natin. Inangat ka guys pababa. So hi guys, nakausap natin yung mga Bicolanos and Bicolanos kanina. And wala, they were so nice. And yung isa taga-Albay, si Kuya. And yung isang girl is taga-Albay din. And ayan, now we're walking papunta sa dulo. Here, looks good here. At napakainit, but we're good. So hi guys, we're at the end of Boracay. At the end of the island. There's the rock there. And we're going there. Let's go. So hi guys, kakatapos lang namin maligo and natulog ako sa beach kanina. Sobrang itim ko na, like hindi pantay ang kulay ko. Legs ko, sobrang itim na, pero yung braso ko dito, ang puti. Tapos yung chan ko, half-half. Oh my god. Pero yan, kakabalik lang namin ito and naligo ako. Nandyan si Mix din sa loob, tapos si mama na sa beach pa. So pupunta natin sila. So let's go. So hi guys, we're outside na and we're going to look for food. It's 6:39. So ayan, medyo natagalan lang yung tambay namin sa taas, but yeah, we're here. We're going to look for food kasi di pa kami naga-dinner. So let's go find something to eat. Bye bye. So hi guys, we're here na sa Andox and we're going to eat na. So we're eating sa other foods. So actually, ang Andox guys, malapit lang siya sa La Isla Bonita. So mga 5 minutes or 3 minutes walk, like malapit lang siya. So every time na madali lang or need namin ng malapit lang nakakainan, dito kami kumakain. So ayan. So hi guys, kakatapos lang namin kumain and we're here. Kakalabas lang namin and we're walking na sa beach. Let's go to the beach. Let's go get away. Ano random? Anyway, let's go. Pabalik na siguro kami. We need to do a lot of things pabalik pa din. Let's go! Let's go back. Hi guys! So, kakabalik lang namin dito sa resort and I think this will be the end of the video. And ayun, I hope you guys enjoy my videos so far and please support my channel, YouTube channel, and follow me on Instagram and on TikTok para makamake ako more content. So, see you guys tomorrow. Love you all. Mama.